You think you know credit card spending? Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by credit card spending? Do you want to take control of your finances and start making smarter choices? We have host in this video. Host says, well, you're in luck. Welcome to the Digital MSS Course, where we teach you all about understanding credit card spending. With credit cards becoming an essential part of our financial routine, it's more important than ever to understand how to use them wisely. Host says, in this course, we will break down everything you need to know about credit card spending, from interest rates and credit limits to balance transfers and rewards. Our expert instructors will guide you through each lesson, providing you with real-life examples and practical tips to help you become a credit card pro. Host says, we'll also dive into the psychology behind credit card spending. Why do we overspend and how can we stop it? You'll learn how to create a budget and stick to it, as well as how to read your credit card statement and identify any hidden fees. Host says, and the best part, you'll have access to our exclusive online resources and tools to help you stay on top of your credit card spending and reach your financial goals. Testimonials from previous students. Student 1 says, this course completely changed my perspective on credit card spending. I now feel confident in managing my finances and staying on top of my credit card debt. Student 2 says, the instructors were amazing and the course material was so easy to follow. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to improve their financial skills. Back to host. She says, so what are you waiting for? Enroll in the Digital MSS Course today and take the first step towards mastering your credit card spending. The host smiling and giving a thumbs up and host says, see you in class. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to understand credit card spending and take control of your finances. Subscribe now and get ready to become a credit card pro.